Hello everyone. Today I introduce our premium Litu Two-Way Radio Leather Case, specially designed for Motorola R7, R7A Two-Way Radio. It's crafted from durable, high-quality materials to safeguard against drops, scratches, and environmental elements. With an adjustable strap for versatile wearing options, its sleek design allows for easy carrying and quick access, which is perfect for professionals on the go. This case ensures you're always ready for communication. Upgrade your gear with our reliable Litu Two-Way Radio Leather Case and experience the ideal blend of style and functionality. Thank you for watching.